Guys, it's Sarkneil Gaming and we'll be getting a skin using our promo diamonds. I have 999 promo diamonds on my third account. And what I'm planning to buy is this PA Sushin. So we need at least 200 diamonds because this is a new skin. And I'm going to use 889 promo diamonds.
The stars conspired to bring you to me.
For me, this is a great skin, better than CC. If you see the effects, very graceful, very beautiful. And Sushin is a new hero, so she has rare skins. 400 collection points, and we still have 110 more. So what I'm going to do is purchase this one. The Crystal of Aurora monthly bundle. So this is 99 diamonds, but if I use 98 promo diamonds, this will be 1 diamond. So let's go. And we got 120 Crystal of Aurora, the minimum. And we have 12 more diamonds, so you can buy either this, but I would rather buy this, the monthly one, because this is a guaranteed 30 and you have the chance to get one of the following items. But wait, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to get this so I can wait. Do we still have the oh, we don't have the task anymore, so I can just buy it. I forgot that we don't have the old task system, so we can just buy anything. We can just buy anything that we want. Don't have to do the daily spend. Okay, so let's just buy the monthly value pack for 3 diamonds and hope we can get any of these skins. So let's see. And we got 30 Crystal Aurora, not bad. At the trial card. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.